So today it's my project, my second project actually. So we are on our way to the venue to shoot. Yeah, and that's Rebecca from my class, and that's my fellow male friend. Sorry, I don't know his name. And that's the DOP, Mr. Promise. So we are almost at the venue. There's a market, it's a small market. Yep. I'm tired. Yes, so at the market, and it's a small market. Yes, you pass through the side before you get to the venue. That's our station. So this is where we are coming, and this is where we are going to shoot. Yeah. And then, so can see, right? So that's where we are shooting. Yeah, this is our venue, and so these are some of my classmates. Hi,
Okay.
say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so as you're saying hi, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can watch it. Because you think the video. Okay, so it's a small hi. You see her shape. Okay, so watch my YouTube, watch to the end and you see the outcome of the shoot and everything that happens.
Okay.
Follow us on all social media platforms at the Tracy Podcast channel, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel at Miss Abna Wilson. That's all for today's vlog, and I'll be posting the outcome of the shoot in my next video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification so that if I post